Hi, good morning all. Today we will learn about chapter 3. So what in chapter 3 is redox reaction. So in redox reaction, you have to know what is oxidation and reduction. Okay, basically there are four factors that can differentiate between oxidation and reduction. The first one is oxygen, second in terms of hydrogen, third one in terms of electrons, and the fourth one is in terms of oxidation number. You can see the screens to identify all the difference. So now we see the first examples is the reaction between lead to oxides with hydrogen to form lead and also water. So what I want you to see now is the lead to oxides PbO has lost oxygen to become lead and hydrogen gas has gained oxygen to become water. So lost oxygen, it will undergo reduction, and whereas gained oxygen will undergo oxidation. Next, for the second example is the reaction between hydrogen sulfide and also chlorine. We can see hydrogen sulfide lost hydrogen to become sulfur, which is undergo oxidation process, and chlorine gain hydrogen to become hydrogen chloride. It undergo reduction process. So here you can see at the screen. Then you can see here, if hydrogen sulfide undergo oxidation, it will act as a reducing agent, whereas for chlorine undergo reduction, it will act as an oxidizing agent. Okay, next example is similar than the first example. So what I want you to see is the iron trioxide has lost oxygen to become iron, and the carbon monoxide gain oxygen to become carbon dioxide. So from here, you determine which undergo oxidation, which undergo reduction, who become reducing agent, who become oxidizing agent. So please study about this. Okay, third factor is about electron transfer. So we can see here for oxidation must lost electron, and reduction must accept or gain electrons. So you can read about this thing. So now I give you one example of redox reaction, means must have oxidation and reduction. So burning of sodium in chlorine, it will forming ionic compound that we call as sodium and sodium chloride. So sodium have one valence electron. It will donate the one electron to chlorine. So donate one electron, sodium will undergo oxidation. Chlorine accept one electron, so it will go reduction process. So undergo oxidation, it will become reducing agent. Undergo reduction, becoming oxidizing agent. Okay, if you refer the screen before this, you also mentioned about oxidation number. So as we know, increase in oxidation number will undergo oxidation. Decrease in oxidation number, it will undergo reduction. So for example, just now sodium. Sodium is the neutral in the periodic table. When it lose one electron, it will become positively sodium ion. So from 0 to positive 1, we call it as increased oxidation number. So it undergo oxidation. Whereas for chlorine is a neutral in the periodic table. It gain one electron to become chloride ion. There is negative 1. So 0 to negative 1, it become decreasing in oxidation number. Then it meaning it undergo reduction. So please remember, increase in oxidation number undergo oxidation, decrease in oxidation number undergo reduction. So now I give you one example is to determine the oxidation number of the underlying element. For example, H2S2O7, so we underline S2. So how to solve it is like linear equation. For the next examples, I want you to copy in your exercise book and then try to find the underlying elements. You can see the answer given. So I give already a few examples. So what you need to do is solve in your exercise book. So this is all the examples, so make sure you see the charges for each element. Okay, next I give you one examples of oxidation of iron 2 plus to iron 3 plus. So increasing oxidation number, meaning Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. So it undergo oxidation. So here is only example of the experiment. So you can see green color, it form to brown color. Another one is the reduction. Why reduction? Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus, decreasing in terms of oxidation number. So from brown color, it will become green color. So this is all the explanation. So I want you to understand it and read about this thing. Okay, another example is about displacement of matter from its salt solution. So you can read this topic because this is not the new one. We already learned in Form 4, Chapter 6, Electrochemical Series. So this also one example of redox reaction. Okay, so here is your exercise. Please do it. Thank you.